So angisizolo sis athi bhuti wami kwenzakalani ngichazele sonke istory befonela amaphoyisa kanti vele amaphoyisa asefuna mina bayibonile imoto ngithi befika amaphoyisa after 5 minutes bezongilanda then ngihambe bengikhombisa imoto kuthiwa nayo imoto yami
unjani ukhala lapho
no angikhali
yeah awukakholelwa yonke le
angikholele like ukuthi kenzakalani yabona hayi ngifika but kodwa sengijabulile ukuthi imoto yami itholakele
and now impilo yakho Nkosi yami
yabona mangifika emotweni nayi imoto ngiyibona but sebeyiscriphile bebefuna itrack ama-parts kodwa bewabeke ebhuthini yabo
sebeyistripping
yes bebeyitholile itrack bebeyitholile itrack
kanti sekule
into ebashayile the sebeyithola itrack kasha ama-fuse mabeyidumisa imoto angadumi so iyona into enkulunkulu ungisizile uNkulunkulu ukuthi ingadumi imoto noma bengayithola itrack kodwa imoto ayisafuna ukuduma imoto
hallelujah
and nabantu ba-track sebeseduzana ngoba bayibonile imoto isendaweni emahlathini and bangifonela.
Do you want to mention the track as
it's car track
okay phela ngisho different
yeah
so when usizwe car track guys sesiya promote I hope you car tracker you listening
car tracker
we promoting you right now
yes please
yeah.
So car tracker bafika they told me to sithole imoto yakho and lapho la ngade ngihijeke khona khijeke 7 wemoto and they killed 3 people
the very same people oh my god
baningi labantu labo ngoba manje bahijeka nami la ngihijeke khona so basho ukuthi usenhlanhleni wena imoto yakho itholile nabakubulalanga futhi ayi yabo ayimasinyedumisa imoto ayisaduma imoto kaphoqela ukuthi siyithowe imoto and we had to go back to Durban.
Phinde sinye story futhi for Risoni Nkosi
manje ngizothi mina ngiya usurprise angimazi uhlala angina phone naka nayo phone abazali inamba abazali oh noma uphazomthola
but I think you learned from we have to learn from that
yes,
if you have a partnership or there's something kufuneka kube nenamba banikeza yona ukuthi ifane ngitholi lana this is where you go because when inamba yasekhaya uhlala uyazi ekhaya so noma ungahlelwa yini ungakhona ukufonela ekhaya so that labantu unama appointment nabo bengakutholi bakhona ukufonela ekhaya then bathola ukuthi wenzakalani
so ngaphoqa ukuthi angibuyele ngoba manje angimazi uhlala lapha angimazi uzumthola kanjani ngathi ngikhansele yonke into sabuye nakhona sengibuya ngiyakhala
depression
ngiyamtshela baba kwenzakalani ngempilo yami why mangizothola ukujabula something happened and then my impilo yami mayizoba like phansi yonke into nje manje thulakale nje kodwa once ngathola ukujabula kuzoba khona something ezoyehlisa ayi nobaba naye athi luyanda ngase mfana kodwa ke uNkulunkulu yena ohlelayo sithemba yena thina sibonga ukuthi uyaphila nemoto etholakele so
qalela phansi fanele kulungisa imoto after then you have to come back
ngayibusa kahande imoto ngayibusa kahande bayilungisa wathi then
you had to reschedule
khuluma nabo Instagram surprise yabo mthatha bafo ngiyaxolisa 1 2 3 ngabasendela neproof
and ngaphe the very same time izoba ngathi wena kahle hle unezitori manje
yabona athi surprise eyincese bafo ngiyaxolisa
solela abantu aba-right
incese ngibasendela mi-proof statements amaphoyisa yabo bethi siyaxolisa bathi ngicela ngikhulume nabantu bakasona wasona wena bathulayo lokho until now bakhuluma naleyo nto isangilimaza namanje yabo but ke uNkulunkulu yena ohlelayo yena ubona uzomisa kanjani mhlambe there's something more better ezayo mina mhlambe ngimile ngilinde
mhlambe protector some by need a protector I'm so sad right now so sorry man that you had to go through this. Yeah, one day so ixoxa le ndaba siphapha ama champagne wena uphuza inani alcohol
nokushayela alcohol
namanzi no juice yeah ibona leyo nto leyo. So now I need to understand something. I heard you mentioned about Nasty C and all that. What are your dream local collabs one day and the international?
I want to work with Casper Nyovest.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of Casper Nyovest. Yeah. Why I'm a big fan? I feel like Casper la idlula khona nami ngidlulile khona ngoba even him
nakana matric
and he drop out na esikoleni at grade 10 naye so buka manje ukephi
of course
ngobani wayilwela lento ayifunayo nami ke mele ngilwe angisiza ukukhala and I always say this and I will say this if you complain you'll remain but if you praise you'll be raised.
Nisula guys. I like what you just said. I like what you just and shout out Casper. Yes. Sometimes we do things singazi ukuthi sithinta abobani.
Yes.
Because naye beka pusha yena not knowing ukuthi along the way abobani abantu abakhulisayo abobani abantu aba inspire
thina
you know I like that.
Like he play a good role like serious yabo nje nathi siyabona ukuthi no if uCasper adlulela nami angenze the same yabona
so Casper ufuna ukusebenza naye
ngiyafuna ngempela
uyekuphela
uyena Nasty C obviously Nasty C Aries like maningi
yes and then international obviously
Chris Brown obviously Asha Trey Songz 50 Cent who's August Alsina. I love August Alsina. I love August.
Listen, mina nawe singahlala endaweni eyodwa and listen to the same music. My friends find me boring. The kind of music that I listen to. I'm related music in like more especially about Goma, like all these noisy things. But you know when you mention about August, about Trey, like he's speaking my language. Chris Brown, about Kendrick, about J. Cole, about Drake.
Yes,
you're talking
Nicki Minaj.
Even I mean, may his soul rest in peace. Triple Extension, Temptation, about Fora.
Yes,
you know what? Yeah, man. Yeah, I hear you.
So I would love to work with them. So I feel like that is my long-term goal.
Yeah.
Long-term goal is to work with Chris Brown or Asha.
Akhona ma project osebenza ku right now and umculo also out there right now.
It's just an EPS we release soon, and probably next year I'll be releasing a movie about my life.
I love that.
Yeah, probably next year.
Even if it's not next year, but
even if next year, soon. Yes.
Hallelujah.
Yes.
I like that.
Yes,
so, kuna EP that you're working on right now that is all into that because I saw what you call it, I'm a teaser. So please look yakufaka lapha.
Yakufaka.
Yeah, man. And then are you open to bookings?
Yeah, I'm open. If you want to book me, just Google Resonation Record and then you find my whole details there. And we can just search Luyanda KB in Google and then you find everything.
Amanyama social platforms that you had?
Instagram, Facebook, what's X now?
Yes, X. So you are just KB?
I'm just Luyanda KB.
Luyanda KB.
Yeah, Luyanda KB. Because I changed my name. Why I changed to Luyanda KB? There are a lot of KB. Maningo KB.
No Prince KB.
So I just said Luyanda KB. Luyanda means Yanda,
so
kuningi
so akwande ku KB
akwande ke manje ku
KB.
Yeah.